Hi everybody, welcome to week 7. I'm glad you can join me. Apologies again for not having this up on Monday morning. Just busy weekend, busy open house here at SAIT and all kinds of craziness. So just to review, last week we touched on nonverbal communication and the cues that we can send and or we can be observing, and just the real importance of not making assumptions about that and how the communication is going, because we never really know. It's okay to clarify, but it's really important to be mindful of the cues that we might be sending off, as well as clarifying when if we're receiving them and decoding the situation to make sure that we've got it right. You also did your first case study. I appreciate that. I apologize. I have read a few, and the ones I've read are just fantastic. So thank you for that. I will be getting to the marking of them every day a little bit next over the next week. This week we're looking into the interpersonal communications more in the workplace, more specifically in the workplace. Most of you have made reference that basically interpersonal communication is between two parties, which is correct, but we're also talking sometimes at the workplace where we've got multiple parties and things like that. So I went and read the assignment. I wasn't really comfortable with it, so I have changed it up. So you're going to view a 30-minute video. I put links to it in the assignment under personal response number 4. There's a couple of links, so you can go either direction. And then write just 3 paragraphs. Pick 3 things from the video that you felt you can most identify with, or that you see as most valuable as communication within the workplace. And then submit that. So 3 paragraphs, 3 topics, 3 sections of the video. Submit that in a Word document, 12-point type, 1.5 line space, by Saturday the 26th, I believe, and we'll go from there. I hope that sounds good, and I will catch up with you in the not too distant future. If you need anything at all, please don't hesitate to email me. I'm very responsive that way. All right, have a great week. Thanks.